Hello, so how do you set up a nice electrical training school in your basement? Well, you get a Warner ladder, you get meter socket, circuit breaker. First thing you'll need is one of these. A 120 to 240, 120, 240, 480 volt control transformer. You pretty much got your single phase 120, 240. Goes in your meter socket, circuit breaker. Then it comes over here and goes to your circuits. What you got? And this is your circuit here that demonstrates what happens when you drop a neutral. How the 100 watt bulb is suddenly brighter than 40 because it becomes a series circuit and the current divides. You got this to show how the two circuits in your house work. And then you come over here and do some actual circuits. We got single pole switch, light socket. We have a three-way switch. And we have a three-way and a four-way switch going to a light socket. And over here's our industrial motor control. We got start stop push buttons, Allen Bradley relay. We got our motor down here. Here's our transformer here. We pretty much have 120 stepping down to like 1 or 2 volts to make a high current. And over here we got our dry erase board. Some like toaster circuits things on there. We got our electrons in the wire there. Dry erase markers, calculator. Book with everything you need. You got some graph paper there. You got a nice desk here to do your studies at. You got a couple of trash cans here for when students are doing wire and they can just put little pieces in there when they're done with them and pitch them out. We got some various light bulbs. We got 15, 40, 60, 75, and this one's 100 and this is 150 watt. We got our 720 watt to 720. I think it's 750 actually. 750 watt toaster right there. We got a couple more extra dry erase boards. That's my vintage Cartercraft desk here. I pulled out of the trash up there by that church one day. Tell you what, that's a nice old desk. Tell you, that's the original plastic and metal chair. This is my nice electrical school there. What else we got? We got some wire on here. We don't have any hard. What is it? What is it? 14.3 with ground? We don't have any of that. It's 14.2 with ground. There are 2 outlets down here, simulating inside the wall. Got some insulators down here for demonstration purposes. We got, and what is that? Air conditioner, breaker box. We got a spa breaker box, phone. There's my SD cable. What is that? Like 2 aught, something like that, 1 aught, something like that. And we got a suspension insulator, spool insulator, fog type suspension insulators with clamp. Tell you what, quite a setup. Exactly what you need to do. We also got a doorbell up there. And you need to have good lighting so people can see what you're doing. You got a rocket chair there just to relax when you're done. Eat lunch, whatever. You got a little swing hang here too. You can demonstrate a few things with that. So anyway, there's my little electrical training school in the basement. We have even more stuff outside.